Morning, guys, from South Texas, Falcon County. I'll pass you through whatever we go on daily routine, what we do, what we eat, what we drink. That's coffee. Um, how we cooking and how we face all the challenges and everything. This is boondocking. Okay, it's boondocking with water. It's considered like wild camping with water. That's pretty much whatever we got here. Other than that, we have I have solar panels. I have like these two solar panels. This is 100 watts. Another one here, 100 watts, and I have a 600 watts. Okay, on that one. And I'll explain you guys how we manage all this, all the challenges. We have some bad news. Uh, so yeah, it's not everything pink and shiny. Sometimes you have to face challenges. Okay, I have some issue with my solar panel. Okay, the most important one. And yeah, I'll explain you how we have fun, how we cook, pretty much daily routine, what kind of fun we have here. As you see, we have a boat. I'll show it. I'll film it in details when we get there. What's exactly? It's an inflatable boat with an electric motor. It's a 50 force or something. It's incredible good, for just to have fun. It's basically no noisy and it has a good autonomy, I would say. Well, I'll test it out. Actually, I'm probably not today. Maybe tomorrow I'll see. We already went there. We tested a little bit, but we're gonna go test it a little bit more. So stay tuned, guys. I'll show you day to day our daily routine, how we you know wash our clothes, and how we manage with just basically solar panel, propane, and water. This is basically this is what we have. And yeah, yesterday I had some problem with my fridge. It was making a noise. I do some research on the internet, and turned out to be that my travel trailer was not level. So actually, I did some some leveling and this and that, and apparently wasn't leveled, the way, and there was a noise. Anyway, so the next day, so I made some research. I just you know leveled it properly, and the noise simply was gone. Yeah, so another thing, yeah, on our first trip on boat, we were boating. Okay, so basically we're here. It's a Falcon County. It's the famous dam. I'll tell you about more about that. And yeah, we were just boating, chilling, having fun, and border patrol on a boat approach us and ask questions. Do we have equipment for whatever the proper equipment, what we use? And I said, look, it's just an inflatable with electric. Okay, ask for if I have a license. Both I have one, I do have one, but since I'm using this electric and inflatable boat, basically that's not necessary, but at least not back in Canada. There is no regulation for this. Basically, it's just a stupid boat with paddles. Okay, I attach the electric motor. You can attach actually I used to have an engine with gas, uh, but it was too noisy, and I just decided that it's too much noise, smell, that, you know, gas and everything. So I said, you know what, I'll try this. I have too powerful battery. uh, I'll show it to you whatever it is, and I'll measure. Basically, I'll see what's the autonomy. It's approximately like 3-4 hours per battery. I have two of them, just in case, you know, I don't want to be stuck after. Okay, and then go by hand. But yeah, so I'll show you on this episode how, if you're interested in this kind of life. So for us, it's a first. Okay, so we just retired. Okay, and that's our first experience as snowbirds. Okay, so we are here in Texas. We choose this destination. We simply love Texas. It's not a first time we are here, and we decided to come back initially. So yeah, we'll see actually, because we want to explore Corpus Christi, Magnolia Beach, uh, Padre Island Beach, you know, Elon Musk rockets, and everything else. So I'll explain you what kind of fun we have. Like, we have the bikes, we have the boat, I have a drone, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then it's just we enjoy the weather. It's approximately like 100 degrees. This is like 34 Celsius. We are Canadian, so we measure in kilometers and Celsius. So, but I'm gonna always put the equivalents on the, to see what's, because sometimes I might say kilometers or Celsius weather, but yeah, I'll put it on the screen to see. Okay, and then yeah, I'll tell you about the cost. That's how much it costs. We are pretty much consider ourselves minimalist. We are on a budget, and I'll explain you how we do, how much it costs us to basically uh, live out here. So stay tuned, guys. For the next episode, I'll show you. Today is gonna be probably interesting, because I'm gonna show you. Look, we're gonna cook some, and yeah, we'll see what we cooking, what we eating, and how we handle all this. All right, stay tuned.